OnCommand Connection. Company Setup. Adding users. To fully utilize all that OnCommand Connection has to offer, you must add assets to your OnCommand Connection portal. This video focuses on adding users to the portal. Once logged into the Advanced Remote Diagnostics dashboard, find the Admin tab, then select Self-Service. At the top of the page, select the company and location you want to add assets to. Select the Users tab. Here you will identify which users will have access to the information about your vehicles in the portal. If the person you are looking to add already has an OCC user login, use the Add Known Users tab to add them to your company. If the person does not have a login, use the Request New Users tab. Both tabs allow you to assign admin access to the person you are adding. This means they can edit and add just like you can. If admin access is not selected, the person can use the OnCommand Connection portal, but not change any assets. This completes adding users to the OnCommand Connection portal.